What is the beyond building price difference?
So beyond building price differences goes back into kind of getting the full grasp of the project before giving you the final pricing. So a lot of contractors, what they do in the common scenario that you run into when you have a contractor out, they're going to talk through the scope of work with you. They're going to spend 15, 20 minutes measuring, taking notes, pictures, and then they're going to leave. They're going to talk to their trades. They're going to put allowances into the project, and they're going to give you a bid. When you do that, the things that you run into later, once you sign contract, is the allowances aren't correct, and so you end up spending more money on cabinets, more money on the countertops, more money on tile, because they're doing an allowance which is not really honing in on the details. It's how many can lights are going in, how many outlets are going in, you know, what is the trim profile on the edge of the tile. All of these details haven't been figured out yet, and as you figure them out after you sign contract, the contract goes up. And then the last piece is there's code requirements that are going to be required on most projects that need to be brought up to date. And in that initial consultation, the contractor's not going to include those because he knows that he's bidding against 3 other contractors trying to keep pricing as low as he can. And so what is the Hogan difference? We go into detail on all of those different aspects. We have a site visit with all of our trades so they can see it, so that when we give you the pricing is accurate because the scope and everything is clearly defined so that you're getting an accurate bid for your project. If you have questions about this, please contact our website at hdcbuild.com.